You only need 1 million pesos to buy this amazing, modern, 6-bedroom luxury home here in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. Excited na ba kayo? Tara, silipin natin. This house stands on a 188 square meter lot area with a floor area of 500 square meters ang floor area natin, guys. Napakalaki. Ang ganda po nitong bahay na to. And the best part is solar powered na po. It's equipped with 12 kilowatt hour solar panels with 2 batteries na. So, di ba? Yun yung in ngayon eh. Dapat matipid sa kuryente kahit napakalaki ng bahay natin. So, nandito po tayo sa ating 4-car garage. Covered na po ito. So, napakaganda kasi safe na safe po ang inyong priced cars o yung mga pinakamamahal nyong kotse. Aside from having 4-car garage, meron po tayong napaka-spacious na pool. This pool is more or less 20-22 square meters. Ang luwag po nito. So kung malaking family po kayo or mahilig po kayo mag-host ng party sa inyong bahay, ang ganda pong area nito, biruin nyo. Ang luwag ng car garage mo. Pero pag may party kayo, pwedeng hindi nyo paradahan yan, gawin yung party area. And then meron kayong malaking pool, oh. Pwede nga sa parang yung mga Airbnb style. Ang ganda, di ba? You still have the waterfall design. And then, ayan, meron kayo nito para safe pa rin going in and out of the pool area. And of course, dahil may pool tayo, meron po tayong first toilet and bath dito sa ating tabi lang ng ating pool. Oh. This is a full-size toilet and bath equipped with ayan, napakagandang mirror and of course our lavatory, our sink and faucet, our lavatory, and of course your shower. Ang pinakakulang na lang po natin with the first toilet and bath is water heater. Pero tingnan mo, napakaganda na rin. Meron na tayong piano keys dito. And this house, aside from the solar panels, meron po siyang sariling water pump and of course a big storage of water. May water tank na rin po tayo with this specific house. Mamaya papakita po namin sa inyo. So coming from our pool area, meron po tayong door dito papunta sa ating water tank. Ayan, bubuksan natin. Makikita nyo rin po dito yung ating solar inverter tsaka batteries. So dito pa lang po, you have a Solis 12 kilowatt hour inverter here. And then 2 batteries, 16 kilowatt hour each, 16.5. So, eto pa lang po worth 800,000-900,000 na po ito. And it's gonna save you more or less 15,000 to 18,000 of electricity per month. Medyo alam ko na po kasi papasolar din ako ngayon. Magastos siya initially. Pero, ang lifespan naman niya, ang declared nila is about 10 to 15 years. So, ang laki po ng matitipid nyo dyan. Aside from that, you have the water pump here. Water pump system para sa ating buong bahay. And then of course, you have a big water tank here. O, diba? Best tank. O, diba? Napakaganda po. Napag-isipan po talaga no, seller yung pagkakagawa sa bahay na to. Sobrang panalo po nito. Meron tayong kitchenette area. Siyempre, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kung mahilig kayo magpa-party sa bahay, this is a perfect house for you guys. Meron kayong preparation area dito, and then you have your first toilet and bath. First toilet and bath. First bedroom here on the ground floor area. For the ground floor bedroom, you already have a split type AC na kasama. Napakaganda ng ating mga powder coated aluminum na sliding windows. Magkabilang side po yan. And our screen are already hard mesh. Ayan, papansin nyo. So hindi siya basta-basta pwedeng sirain. Unlike yung mga ordinary lang na screens natin. Yan. So, pinag-isipan po, pinag-effortan, kaya I can really consider this as one of kumbaga, yung mga luxury house natin dito sa Greenwoods. And then, aside from that, napakaluwag pa po nito. Oh, ha? Ang laki ng area, oh. Oh. Ilang party po ba? I mean, ilang tao po ba yung gusto nyong pa-partying dito? Kahit 100 people, kasang-kasa. Kung mapapansin nyo po, on your right side, meron po tayong pathway papunta sa ating service area. Mamaya po papakita namin sa inyo. Pero for now, let's head into the, kumbaga, main part of the house. Aakyat lang po tayo. So our main door and our main house is on the second floor. Tara. Yan. So this is our main door. Equipped with, ano na rin to guys, smart lock. Huwag kayong mag-alala. I-share namin sa inyo yung code kapag kayo nakabili sa bahay na to. So, welcome to your amazing house. Wow. Hindi ko na lang alam kung hindi pa amazing sa inyo to. You have this double height ceiling living area na napakaluwag. Diba? Kaya lang, and of course, bago tayo magpunta dun sa kaya lang, meron na siyang floor standing AC. And then you have this curtain glass wall na napakaganda. Dahil corner house po ito, ang ganda po nung, kumbaga, pwestuhan ng inyong bahay. And kung mapapansin nyo, napakaganda rin ng ating staircase papunta sa ating third floor. When it comes to television, kung gusto nyo maglagay ng TV dito sa living area nyo, most likely, pwede doon, that's gonna be the dining pero pwede rin dito. Although sa totoo lang, hindi naman lahat ng living area meron ng TV sa ngayon, di ba? So, just, kung gusto nyo lang po, pwede rin tayo maglagay ng TV dito, kung gusto nyo po yun. And then, coming from our living area na napakaganda, meron po tayong napakaluwag na dining area. So, interconnected din siya, although, syempre, hindi na siya double height ceiling, guys, ha? This is your, kumbaga, dito nyo ilalagay ang inyong dining table, rectangular, even a 12-seater, 14-seater table can really fit here. And then, ang kagandahan pa po niyan, may indoor-outdoor pa po kayo. So, from the dining area, meron po kayong balcony on this side. This property has multiple balconies. This is your first one. So, napakaluwag ng balcony natin. This is about 1.5 by probably 3 meters. So, yun. So, you have natural source of natural air and natural light going towards your house. And, yan o, meron tayo ulit napakagandang quality ng ating powder-coated aluminum glass door. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo naman po ng natural air, buksan nyo lang yan. Gamitin po natin yung hard mesh. O di pumapasok pa rin yung natural air without the, kumbaga yung lamok, yung langaw, alam mo yan. So, coming from our dining area, ito po ang ating proper kitchen. For our kitchen, it's semi-furnished. Actually, the house is semi-furnished na. Mapapansin nyo po, you have the side-by-side ref dito na 6 foot. Ayan, napakaganda. Kasama na yung ref nyo. You have pantry cabinets, openable, pull-outs, di ba? Ganda. You have overhead cabinets, soft close po yan mga yan. Siyempre, napakaganda ng bahay mo, tapos hindi soft close, di ba? Medyo hindi pares. So, dito po soft close naman lahat. So, ito naman po yung overhead cabinets natin. Ito yung style na wala na pong handle. And then you also have yung mga sliding cabinets dito. Medyo L-shape yung ating kitchen. So, meron kang small na parang bar type dito. And then you have a very long kitchen. Ayan, nandito hanggang dito. Ngayon, wala pa lang siyang LED lights. So, if you want to put LED lights, mas maganda rin siya kasi medyo mas magiging maliwanag. Dito naman, may lights tong ating. This kitchen also comes with cooktop, 4-burner cooktop na La Germania. Also comes with a La Germania range hood. And you have the La Germania oven. O, di ba? Kompleto na. Microwave. Wala pang microwave. Yun lang, wala pa tayong microwave, but that's very minimal, guys. And then, of course, you have your matte black and gray na very modern sink and faucet dito. Piano keys na po yan. Nakapatay lang yung water. Yan. Pero meron na yan. May rainfall. Ayan. And then, of course, you still have the cabinets. Cabinetries. Ang dami. This door, papunta po sa ating napakagandang service kitchen. Puntahan na natin. Nandito na tayo eh. For our service kitchen, yan. So, yung service kitchen nyo po, hindi porke service kitchen, hindi na masyadong maganda. Halos kapareho po nung ating proper kitchen. Meron din siyang 2-burner cooktop. You still have the range hood. You still have a double sink and faucet. And then, meron pa kayong glass door papunta sa inyong ano na po ito? Laundry area. So, medyo maliit lang laundry area nyo. Kung mag-washer dryer kayo, magkapatong siya dito. Okay? And then, yan, sarado lang natin. This door goes to yung staircase kanina galing parking. Yan, ito yun. So, syempre, kapag galing kayo ng palengke, yung sasakyan, hindi na kailangan ipasok doon yung mga galing palengke. Dito na lang. Papunta sa inyong service kitchen. Yan. And of course, ganito kalaki bahay natin, syempre, kailangan natin ng helper or staff room. Yung staff room nyo po, kasya po ang 2 or 3. 2 lang siguro. Double deck dito. Diba? Double bed. Then, maglagay na lang sila ng closet nila dito. Napakaluwag nito. Siguro, this is about 5 square meters siguro yung size natin for the staff room. Pero ang kagandahan nun, meron pa rin silang maayos. Parang actually main toilet and bath to. Yung finishes niya, kapareho lang ng toilet and bath natin kanina sa baba. Di ba? Even the shower, naka-rain shower siya. Para siyang hindi staff toilet and bath. Ang ganda po. Kahit guest nyo, pwede gumamit dito. Hindi mapapansin na para sa staff. Going back to the living area, hindi ko nabanggit, pero highlight is the chandelier. Napakaganda ng chandelier natin na may kapares din na chandelier or decorative lighting sa ating staircase. So, bago tayo umakyat sa ating 3rd floor, i-check po muna natin ang master's bedroom. Nandito po yan. So, isarado natin ang napakagandang door. Ayan, kung mapansin nyo, pag nag-doorbell or merong may screen ka pa dito, you can see who's on the other side of the door. So, may additional safety pa siya. Yan. Actually, even yung ito yung sarado ko lang para makita nyo. So, yung door din ng ating master bedroom, naka-smart lock na rin yan. So, hindi nyo na kailangan magdala ng susi. Dapat alam nyo lang yung code or thumbprint lang ang inyong kailangan. Welcome to the very big master bedroom. Oh, Ang luwag nito, pwede magtagu-taguan, di ba? So, very fit for a, kumbaga, king and queen. Dito ang ating king size bed. Meron na rin po tayong 2 horsepower na split type AC. And then, of course, you still have the balcony on this side naman. Kabilang side naman to ng property. This is about same size nung kanina. Ay, hindi. This is bigger. I'm sorry. This is 1.5 meters by probably more or less 4 meters. Ang luwag, balcony. Naka-face po tayo sa east. So, this is east facing. It's 9 a.m. kaya medyo mainit. Pero ang kagandahan po for this balcony, in the afternoon, sobrang mahangin na po dito. Kasi nandun na sa kabilang side. And of course, para dun sa mga Chinese buyers natin, pabor kapag facing east ang ating mga property. And sorry, nakalimutan ko lang banggitin. This property is equipped with 7 CCTV cameras already. So, meron ka ng solar panels, meron ka ng smart locks, meron ka pang CCTV. Diba? Ang ganda. So, eto naman yung kabilang side ng ating master bedroom. Dito po ang ating TV, kahit mga 75-inch TV, kasyang-kasya po dito. And then, kung mapapansin nyo po, eto ang ating aluwa. Aluwa ba to? Parang, this is for the CCTV. So, maglalagay lang po ng monitor dyan para you can monitor all the CCTV. And then, dyan din po nasi-save yung mga na cover niya. So, if ever man, wag naman sana, meron kayong kailangan reviewin, anytime, it's accessible. Let's just close the door. Ito naman po ang inyong walk-in closet and of course, master's toilet and bath. For our walk-in closet, para po siyang isang kwarto na. So, napakalaki po. Siguro po mabibigyan nyo na yung asawa nyo dito. Ito siguro kay mister and then the whole room is para kay misis. Napakarami po niyan. Oo nga, diba? Floor to ceiling pa po yung ating cabinets. Kaya maganda kasi na-maximize. Ayan. Soft close pa rin, of course. And then this is yung mga machine pressed na marine plywood na cabinets natin. Modular, sorry. It's called modular cabinets. Gawa po yan sa marine plywood. And then you have big mirrors all around. Makikita nyo rin po si BJ dyan. Makikita nyo siya. And then of course, coming from our walk-in closet, ito po ang ating master's toilet. Diba? We have big we have his and hers. And then dito po ang ating shower na napakaganda. Massage feature na to guys. Buong katawan nyo na po. After a long day's work or even a stressful one. Ganun ka lang dito. Tapos medyo warm. Ang ganda niya. Nakaka-relax. Diba? And then of course, coming from there, dito tayo sa his and hers. And your, tinan mo na, nangingilala siya. Nag-open siya mag-isa. Smart toilet. So, yung mga, parang mga Japanese. Actually, hindi na siya Japanese ngayon. Before kasi, sa Japan mo lang makikita yan. Pero ngayon, medyo, na siya, common na siya. Yan. Pero, it's nice to have pa rin, di ba? Yan. So, yun lang. Check natin yung third floor. Welcome to our third floor. O, di ba? Napakaganda talaga ng ating bahay na to. So on your left side, ito po yung one of the bigger rooms. Pero pwede rin siyang family area. Pwede rin siyang movie area or movie room. Kung hindi man kayo makapaglagay ng TV downstairs, dito po, pwede kayong mag 100-inch TV dito. May kasama na rin siyang 1.5 horsepower na split type. Tama ba? 1.5? 1 or 1.5. So, we will confirm it sa inyo. Pero, meron na siyang split type AC na kasama. Napakaluwag, napakalaki. So, you have a very nice living area downstairs din. A family room / bedroom dito sa 3rd floor. So, technically, this is our 3rd room. Dahil wala siyang toilet and bath dyan, nandito siya. So, meron pa rin tayong toilet and bath. So, this is the only bedroom na hindi ensuite. Yan. So, same finishes as the first 2 toilet and bath natin kanina. Halos walang pinagkaiba. Even the color is the same. Although, syempre, if you want to change it, napakadali naman pong gawin yan. So, yun. Meron na kayong niche. Of course, the rain shower. So, all the basic ones are here. Kulang na lang po would be the water heater. Unless, of course, meron na. Sorry, meron na palang water heater. Ayan. I stand corrected. Meron na po tayong multi-point na water heater sa lahat ng toilet and bath. So, hindi lang po solar powered, hindi lang po CCTV ready, pati po water heater kasama po. So, this is our 4th bedroom. So, wala pong maliit na bedroom. Ang lalaki po ng bedroom natin. Bed would be here, or headboard would be here. And then, of course, you have big closet area. So, kung marami po kayong anak, huwag po kayong mag-alala. Kasyang-kasya po. Ilan po ba anak nyo? 3, 4. Pag-4 po, kasyang-kasya na dito sa 3rd floor. And then, dito po, kung magti-TV sila, pwede rin dito. Optional. Meron din silang sariling balcony. Same size po ito ng balcony. First balcony na pinakita namin sa inyo kanina sa dining area. Ayan o. Lahat po na pag-isipan, even the outdoor units, maayos na maayos po. Outdoor units po ng ating AC. Lahat po yan maayos. The workmanship of the house is really good. Matagal na pong gumagawa ng bahay yung may-ari nito dito. Kaya ang ganda. And of course, meron po siyang sariling toilet and bath. O ha? Pare-parehas ang finishes, but it's really nice. Meron na rin siyang multi-point heater. So wala na po kayong iisipin sa shower nyo. Kapianong kiss kayo, hot, cold. You also have, sorry, nabagsak pa. Para saan yung bidet sa shower? Hindi ko alam to ah. Yeah, but you also have the bidet for your water closet. This is our 5th bedroom. Wow! Grabe siya. Master bedroom ba? Yung size niya po parang ka-size ng master bedroom natin. Ang laki rin. Although syempre, master bedroom, we have a walk-in closet. Dito naman, we don't have a walk-in, but we have built-in closet on the other side. Ayan, di ba? Oh. Meron ng closet. You also have kung maraming shoes or bags yung gagamit dito for display. It also has built-in split type AC. And of course, your toilet and bath. Di ba? Iconic na tong toilet and bath na to. Tumatak na sa atin. Hindi po magkakaingitan yung mga anak nyo kasi ano naman, it's the same. It's very nice, but pare-pareho po siya. This is our 6th and final bedroom. Wow, ganda. Ganda ng natural light dito sa bedroom na to. Oh, ha? Oh. Napakaluwag po ng lahat ng kwarto. Wala pong maliit na kwarto. So, size of the bedroom is easily 20 square meters per bedroom. Easily. Baka nga mas malaki pa. Diba? Isang studio unit na po yun sa mga kilalang developers. And then, of course, you have a big third floor balcony. Kapareho po nung sa ating master's balcony. O, ang luwag nito. O, diba? Napakaganda. Then you have a very nice, thick glass balcony. Luwag. Medyo mainit lang po. Kasi nga po, it's still very early. 9 a.m. Yan. So, napakaganda nitong bahay na to. Wala ka na halos bibilin. Kasi lahat naka-built-in na lahat. Pero syempre, lahat naka-built-in na lahat eh. No? Sorry po paulit-ulit. Pero, na-amaze lang kami sa pagkakumpleto nitong bahay na to. And then of course, you have your ensuite toilet and bath for the 6th and final time. Yan. Ganda. Panalo. Tapos 1 million lang po yung minimum down payment. Pero of course, you have to meet the minimum requirement po sa ating bank loan, ha? So, yun lang. Quick recap lang tayo guys of this amazing 6-bedroom na luxury house dito sa Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. So this house stands on a 188 square meter corner lot with a floor area of 500 square meters. Napakaluwag po nun. It has 6 bedrooms, 6 toilet and bath. You have also a staff room with its own toilet and bath. It's powered by a 12 kilowatt-hour solar system with 6 CCTV cameras. Sorry, it's 7 CCTV cameras and 7 AC units. Napakarami po. Hindi pala siya quick recap, ang haba. It has 4-car garage and a big swimming pool downstairs. Swimming pool is about 22 square meters. And the asking price for this property is just 38 million pesos. But the best part is minimum 1 million down payment lang po. We will help you with the bank financing process and approval as long as you give us all the requirements, guys. So if you have more questions, please call us on the number below. You can also follow us on our social media pages, RV Realty PH, and of course, Realtor RV para po sa aming mga daily vlogs. Marami pong salamat. See you on the next one. God bless. Peace.